Everyone is so talented.
Yeah, especially Tracy.
But I'm gonna have to go with. Okay,
Top value, investment grade, lifestyle defining, timeless class but effortlessly informal. Live your life like
Hello, hello.
Good to see you, Slick.
Devin, the hell are you doing here?
It's over, Michael.
You done good, kid. You kept this bullshit up long enough to help me trigger a fantastic insurance payout when the plug is pulled. I love you. You're like my spirit brother now.
Where's Solomon?
He's out getting the negatives, the film, whatever the fuck it is. The last dinosaur in town is about to get fossilized.
What are you talking about?
Look, the movie's nearly done, so if the plug's pulled now, the investors, meaning us, get a massive insurance payout. Meanwhile, I can use that to get the other major shareholder, the old bastard's idiot son, to agree to tear this relic down and let me redevelop the area for condos. In this economy, the city's gonna let me build tax-free. I might even get some rebates. It is a brilliant thing, and it is all thanks to you and Molly's eye for the details of the insurance policy.
Michael, they're fucking us! The suits! And they don't even wear suits! Wolves in turds' clothing!
Try not to take it too badly, Mr. Richards.
Were you ever a human being?
Look, people used to like films, now they like what? Videoing themselves, beating off on their iFruit phones. Don't blame me. I'm a very spiritual person. I feel badly about this. But evolution is evolution. Gentlemen, Molly, namaste.
Can I take the film now, Mr. Richards? My plane leaves in 25 minutes.
Can't we do something? At least let me finish the picture, then close the place down.
I'm afraid our timetable doesn't allow for that. Goodbye, Mr. Richards.
Where the hell is she going with that movie?
She is taking the only copy offshore, somewhere nice and discreet. Analog. God, it's certainly got its complications.
Michael, can you do something?
No, he can't do anything, pal. It's an inevitability.
My wife got screwed by a yogi. And now I'm getting screwed by a yogi? Fuck that! I'm a producer! Nobody fucks with my film! Ugh. Okay, the airport.
Slow it down, Slick. You're not...
Dispatch to all available units. Requesting an escort from Wallace Schultz to Devin Resident Theater at LS International. Be advised that Ms. Schultz is a highly charged
What's she doing?
Michelle, there is no need to panic. The LSPD are here to escort you to the hangar. You do not need to go that fast. Please relax. You went past the hangar. Bishop, you're endangering yourself and my fellow officers.
Yeah, you're telling me she's gone crazy. Oh! The plane! You're playing chicken?
Pull over now, Bishop.
Stop the car, lady.
We'll protect you. Just pull over.
That man's a murderer! He wants to kill me!
On the floor! Lady.
Clear the hangar.
Go past!
I think you need some help right now.
He kills people! Help me! Hey! Out of my way! Stop!
Oh, stop! Look out! That didn't have to happen.
We're over the area. Engaging suspect.
Trespassing! That's the most you got on me! All this mayhem! Nothing to do with me! She's the one behind this! Hey, I'm just a witness, okay? I got what I came for! I'm leaving!
Escort is on its way.
Hey, I ain't done anything! Hey, you got some mess to clean up! Leave me alone! Trespassing! That's the most you got on me! All this mayhem! She's the one behind this! Hey, I'm just a witness, okay? Piece of gun!
We are airborne and en route.
I loved you once, Tony, but there's nothing between us. Now that I know you prefer dictation.
Really? We're doing this now? I just watched Devin Weston's legal counsel get juiced in a jet engine.
Oh, that Molly woman? Oh, Lord, that's horrible.
You have no idea. She panicked, went crazy, and ran into it. But I saved the print, so we still got our movie.
You believe that analog thing? It's all digital. We have backups everywhere. I mean, we're shooting on green screen.
Well, you could have told me.
I'm sorry. Look, I thought you knew. The edit's nearly done, and we've got to get it out before they can screw us again. I've greenlit a premiere. That will stop them from burying us.
A premiere? For Meltdown? Okay. Can you invite my family? They can finally have something to be proud of me for.
Of course! It's already on its way by courier.
All right. Shit. I'll get ready. It was An American Divorce, by the way. The movie quote. Obviously. Oh, fuck!
Hello, my friend.
Hey, what are you looking so cool, calm, and collected for?
Guess because I'm not the one who's about to die based on some inappropriate decision I made a long time ago.
Thanks for the moral support. I appreciate it. What the fuck ever happened to burying the past, huh? Any fool should be able to turn over a new leaf, right?
Well, first, your new leaves aren't so very different from your previous leaves. It seems like they fell from a pretty similar tree. And second, this is the age of the internet, my Luddite friend. Nothing is forgotten. There are no new leaves. Everything you do and don't do is recorded forever and used to beat you. This is the age of Judgment Day every day. And in the revelation of that, I'd say that you got off pretty lightly. What with all the murders and the thefts and...
All right. This straight-talking new, tell-it-like-it-is reality guy act. It ain't working so well for me.
In that case, don't worry about it. Everything is fine. You're a good man and a great father, really.
It's more like it.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Hey.
So what y'all talking about?
The internet age.
The internet age?
Oh, yeah.
Man, ain't we got a highly defended federal building to fucking rob?
Yes, we do. Let's get after it.
I'm gonna miss this place. If we're gonna do this thing and maybe take that score, well, I guess this has all gotta be gone.
All right, with the sad goodbyes. Agent Stevie cleared the Noose building in Palomino Highlands as a base for this op.
All right, now let's roll on this thing.
Why are you so chipper?
Shit, why you so miserable?
Must be an age thing.
Great. Now there's something to look forward to. What's the plan again, man? And please, let it involve someone shooting you for being so goddamn miserable.
Oh, what is this? Pick on me day? Look, I know I'm a miserable old prick, but give me a break. You and Lester. Shit.
So the plan was feeling sorry for your ass, right? I miss Lester saying that shit, for sure. Let's feel sorry for Michael. Rich, white Michael, poor Michael, who robbed banks for 10 years, then got his slate wiped clean.
Yeah.
Poor Michaels, whose homies get into shit with the FIB out of the kindness of their own heart. Put their necks on the line. Man, where's my get-out-of-jail-free card, motherfucker?
I'm sorry, okay?
You know what, Mike? You're a real easy dude to identify with, man. Poor me. Pour me. Man, pour me a drink, nigga.
Okay. I can see. Maybe I've been a little caught up in myself lately.
A little? Man, just give me the plan, okay?
All right. Here's the shot. We're taking a chopper up to altitude, jumping out, and climbing in through the Bureau skylight. We hit the computer system. That might take a while, so we gotta hold off any resistance. Once we're in the system, we download the files, chopper picks us up.
Hey, that was real simple, wasn't it? I'm informed now, dawg. So you want to wallow in some more of your self-pity? Get another free therapy session?
All right, we're coming up. Chopper pilot, gunman, driver, and hacker should be ready. I'll radio in. Guys, you there?
Waiting on you.
This Fed chopper's ready to take us. Let's get going.
All right, I need IT outside the FIB building. Ready for the cyber part of this op.
I'll be on standby, boss.
Under control. Show your wife who the family tool.
Hey, here we go, man. This is on.
The Mega Hardware Superstore.
Weasel News.
Terror at the airport. Man.
All right, you're Haynes' pilot, right? We gotta wait until it's late enough, then we move in the chopper.
If you want to pilot the first leg, I'll take over once you jump.
I'm gonna take us up to the jump spot. Feels weird not having Trevor on the stick. Feels okay to me. He might be a better pilot, but I'm less inclined to kill you in your sleep. Shit, that ain't what he says. Okay, I'm less inclined to stab you in the face and then do funny things to your corpse. That sounds about right. Hey, everyone, talk. My friend Franklin here called me out for being an ungrateful prick on the way over here. I have to admit, I've been remiss. Everyone's being paid on this run except me. But it ain't great money for the crazy target you're drawing on your backs, and there's a good chance this thing won't work at all. Job's a job, man. Let's do it. So, in short, thank you for your efforts. It means a lot to me. I picked you guys out especially for this shit show. So take something from that if you will. There'll be more scores down the road, maybe a big one, and sunnier days ahead. But this is where we are right now. So let's try to survive it and achieve our objectives. We stick together, we might not die. That's what's getting me through this. All right, let's do it.
Hey, come on, grab the stick. You got it. You ready? Are you? You fucking kidding me? I'm lucky I can even breathe at this altitude, let alone calculate the odds of surviving the jump, landing, fucking firefighter, whatever else blowback there might be. All right, I shouldn't have. Let's go. Come on, what the fuck you waiting for? We on.
They're gonna pick it.
Come on. There. Come on, Franklin. Let's go, buddy. Got it. Great. Better than an elevator. Fuck. I'm in the building.
The server room is in the southeast corner of the building.
It's locked. I'm setting a charge.
Hey, here you go, dog. That's a nice weapon.
I'm a pro, ain't I? Let's get in position, wait for the guards.
The alarm's been tripped.
Yeah, no shit. An explosion will tend to do that. I'm looking at the terminal.
Programs are on your cell phone, connected to the machine.
They better be.
You need to access my computer. Your cell will show as an external device. First, run Hack Connect. It'll establish a connection with the servers. Concentrate. You gotta find this terminal's IP in the network's view. You're looking for the IP address, that number at the top, in the massive numbers in the middle.
Okay, connection established.
Now, to take down the firewall, run bruteforce.exe. The program will expose each character of the password as it tries different encryptions. Select them quickly, because they won't be active for long.
Okay, looks like we're in.
Good work. Start downandout.exe, and I'll do the rest from here.
Okay, people, we're rewriting history.
Security team's been deployed.
Hear that? We gotta hold them off while this thing completes its process.
Hey, we were prepared for this. Let's take it.
I'm sticking here, guarding the file transfer. I don't want to wait on that chopper! Get down to the building, be ready to... go!
Airlift initiated. Flying by the building.
They're coming at us! Hold tight! Hold tight!
Here's our lift.
The network ain't down yet!
I'll hold here. Wait on your signal for pickup.
We know you're corrupt as shit!
Check the entry points! Ooh. You think there's enough of them? Shit.
FIB choppers, pick me up. Clear for takedown! I'm taking fire! They got me! Trying to bring it under. Up.
Stay down, Fed!
The pilot signal is totally dead.
Oh, shit, man.
Don't worry, we got a backup plan. Use the harnesses. Rappel from a few floors down.
Ah, shit, they smoking us out.
Smoke bomb! Be cool!
Guys, you there?
Yeah, go ahead.
The helicrash caused extensive damage. Explosion went through a couple floors. Sprinklers brought the fire under control, but be extremely careful.
All right, got it. Hurry up.
Download complete. Get the device.
All right, man.
Got it. All right, people. Let's get the hell out of here.
Coming through. On your knees. Guns are locked.
Push, people!
Door's mine! Guy in stairwell's down, let's go!
Opening the door. Get ready.
Moving!
Hey, we got a problem up here. Sprinkler system. Can't see anything.
Man, can a hacker shut it off?
I'm in the system. Okay. Shutting down fire suppression.
Atta girl. Whatever we're paying you, you're worth it.
On me. Hey, you gotta see this.
Fuck! Well, he didn't make it.
You sure, man? Cause he might be a...
No, he didn't make it.
Oh, you funny, huh, motherfucker? Man, let's get the fuck out of here.
No, too high. The wind will tie us in a knot. We gotta keep moving. Come on, let's go.
Man, fuck. Corrupt ass bitch!
Always moving! Through here!
You really want to do this? Let's get out! You're all dirty!
On me! Come on!
You in my way!
This Irish chump ain't dying here!
Keep going!
Man, we going!
All right, boys! You don't want to get in our way!
Hey, get lost!
We're getting out of here, one way or another!
Let's go! Stay with me!
Come on! You on
on, come on.
We low enough?
Yeah, this'll do. Set up the rigs.
All right, come on.
What's going on the outside?
Ground units, air units, every unit in the state is on the way. I don't know if you have the firepower to hold them off. ETA is any minute.
Well, then we better get gone before they show up.
Let's get the fuck out of here then.
Okay, let's blow this joint.
Over to the right, dog. Man, it's about every cop in LS County on the way.
It don't look like they're for us. Not yet, at least.
An air unit CD on the side of the building. Look out, guys.
Ah, crap! They got a bird! Go! Go! Up there!
Stone, dog! Hey, set up the rope there, and we'll drop to the street.
That's it. Gotta go.
No shit, let's get cracking, man. Unless you're feeling at home in this Fed building.
Hey, you want to side with Trevor? Feel free.
Man, I was just fucking with you, dog. Let's do this shit. The driver meant to be around front. Stay close to me, dog.
Out of the way!
Don't push me! We getting out of here!
You guys make an honest killer like me sick.
Man, I don't...
Over here! Come on!
Oh, it's the ambulance! Move!
In before someone sees.
Don't discharge your weapons. We wouldn't think we're a legitimate paramedic crew.
I'm getting cold sweats here. Shit.
All right, we're clear. Frank, I told Les we could use your place for a post-mortem. Hey, that was a good call on the ambulance, Eddie.
I saw what was going on in the Bureau, man. I wasn't gonna drive up in something obvious.
That's the thinking we pay you to do. Whew, now we're clear, I can probably say I never expected to make it out of there.
Yeah, sure, man. We had it covered.
Oh, really? It was covered, was it?
Yeah. Lester had the plan. It was all set up.
Yeah, we had a plan. Hold off the nastiest team of crooked FIB agents in the country while the last of the baby boomers pretends he's a hacker? Come on. It was hopeful. And then when the chopper crashed, oh man, I thought there was no fucking way. Why do you think Lester burned down the business? Hell, why do you think I'm doing it for nothing? And these clowns are getting paid?
My cut's going to the kids' college fund, if that's any consolation. A couple more scores, they're taken care of. And I can think about getting out of the game.
Yeah, hey, good luck with that.
Hey, man, tell him you messing with him, Mike.
Hey, I was semi-sorta serious, but joking once you reacted like that, all right? Eddie, the place is up here. Can you ditch the vehicle and drop this guy where he wants to go?
I'll take care of it.
Hey, come on in, man.
Damn, Franklin. Oh, Jesus. Any longer and I was gonna torch this place too. Hey, you did it!
We did!
Yeah!
Fucking A!
Hey, where's my liquor at, dog?
I got it. It's right here.
Let's go, come on.
Here it is.
Come
Here
on.
it is.
Shit.
There you go.
Man, you may be a conflicting, hypocritical, self-loafing old bastard, dog, but there's no one else I'd rather rob a federal building with me.
Amen to that.
Thank you, boys. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, you want another drink?
I think I better stay at least a little bit sober. I got to deal with Davey and Dickwad yet. put things to bed.
Man, you want me to roll with you, dawg?
No, I probably better do this alone. I mean, we did everything. We're all in this together, right? So as long as we all are not together, there's nothing they can really do to us.
All right, see you, dawg.
Take care. Then it's Trevor, and I'm out.
Oh, we're gonna need Trevor. Maybe you should give him a call now.
Oh, fuck that. After I take care of this shit.
All right, well, take care of yourself. Frankie!
Lester!
Lester needs a drink!
We hit the Bureau for you, Dave. I'm done.
Yes, I saw that. Meet me at the court center and I'll debrief you.
I'm out, Davey. From now on, done.
I appreciate that. I'm trying my best for you, but you and Trevor attacking Merryweather? Repeatedly? It doesn't help.
That's Trevor's thing.
Whoever's thing it is, it's unauthorized and it's dumb. They've been sniffing around my office. We really need to talk.
Really? All right. I'll come to the court center. Fuck. Too close! You fucking dick!
It's on now!
You will be connected to humanity. You will be docked. Invasion never felt so good.
Damn!
Life Invader tablet.
Weasel News. You fucking got it! Oh, thank fuck you've got it. Thanks, man. Seriously, you saved my ass.
Ah, forget it. I gotta pretend like I'm a good guy sometimes. I hope you didn't shit yourself.
Suburban Backyard Barbecue Ego Wars, you need the equipment to prove you're manly. Fry a turkey live for a great party trip. Or pick up our $15,000 grill with a built-in abattoir. Insert a live animal and it will skin, which will flip it on the grill automatically while your neighbors look at the envy and what a...
Animals running loose on foot.
Taking Liberty City's football team. Billion in taxpayer giveaways, but football is as American as gentrification and fried food.
Sit on the sidewalk and beg for money, and you're a leech on society. Do it on crowdsourcing website Procedure, and you're
Texas. This is Lowdown and Dirty.
Ah, see? Davey, that's why we're such great friends, huh? We're old school. We like old-fashioned things. Newspapers, celluloid. Good guys, bad guys.
We're friends?
Well, I don't know. You tell me. We did what you said, right? Got those people off your back. Now you're gonna do like you said and cut me loose, right?
Things are not gonna work out quite that way. There's a bit of a problem.
That's right, Davey boy, you could say that.
Steve, I told you I would handle this.
Oh, because you've handled everything so fucking well so far, haven't you?
All right, I admit things have been a little unorthodox, but...
Fucking orthodox! You've ruined my career. Agent Sanchez, arrest these men, both of them.
Steve,
oh,
come
whoa!
on, please.
You fucking kidding me? Arrest me for what?
For multiple counts of every fucking crime under the fucking sun.
Oh, well, then let me rephrase. Why?
Why? Because
you don't want me to testify in court about our various business dealings, right?
Agent Sanchez, apprehend the suspect!
Agent Sanchez, you'll do no such thing. Now, Steve, we agreed to speak to Michael, to try and explain things to him. Not this. This causes problems for us all.
Okay, okay. Then put your gun down and we'll talk.
After you, buddy.
Come on, where's the trust?
You can do better than that.
They know or think they know that I'm the one that was behind the incident.
Uh-huh. And now you want me to clean up your mess again, right? Before I end up at the bottom of the ocean. Fucking good luck with that.
Put the weapons down, boys. Fun time is over. We've got you. Anti-American activity.
Put your weapons down, all of you.
Who the fuck are you with?
With me.
You fucking rat. I knew you didn't have the balls for this. For the record, I'm a patriot. I love my country.
Put the weapons down.
Fuck you! We all know you agency boys are ball deep in a plot to drive up your funding by any means necessary.
Put the gun down, gentlemen. Who the fuck are they?
Fucking Merryweather! What are they doing here?
Steve, put your gun down.
Oh, same goddamn leg!
Go!
Fuck! Bullshit.
Mike, this your frequency? Let's offer you at the end of the walkway, top of those stairs.
I ain't going anywhere, Davey, until some more of these guys kill each other.
Everybody move out! Sucker!
What happened to Haynes? He get caught in the crossfire?
Don't worry about Haynes. Haynes went the other way. He's probably out. We gotta think of ourselves. Damn it. Get off. You're gonna have to go down the stairs at the other end of the building. When you've got an opening, come to me.
You're gonna die, bitch!
Oh, the fuck?
Hey! If anyone's gonna kill you, old friend, it's gonna be me!
Oh! You here to finish the job, T?
No, I'm just here for the opportunity. Now run!
Touching reunion and all, but I'm about to get jumped by a team of rogue agents.
T, you got the vantage point. Give Dave a hand.
This is the guy who iced Brad, and would ice me? I'd be better off putting my sights on him.
Haines made it out of here, and there's another group of agents looking into our shit. Right now, you're not in a position to let our only friend in the Bureau get killed.
Looks clear. D, make a play for that stone bench by the pool. I'm coming down.
I'm holding position. We're good. Moving up on the reflecting pool. Get down here, Michael.
Get out the way! You're gonna die, bitch!
Building on my left is crawling with them.
Pick it up, Mikey! My gun's getting hot!
Gunman, look out! I got agents coming at me, T!
So tell me, Davey, who are these Bureau men trying to kill me?
They're a corrupt division, gone rogue or on the IAA payroll.
Look out! Up there! Ah! Christ! I thought you were the corrupt division.
Corrupt? Only a little. Definitely below average. Merryweather Bird incoming. These guys don't have a funding problem. Someone's gotta bring down the buzzard before it blows us up. When you get down here, we can go. What happens to Hayes? Norton gonna pop him at the water cooler on Monday? I'm not popping. Steve, Jesus. I'll get close to him and I'll try to control him. That's if we get out of here alive. If Uncle T wasn't here, you'd be in real trouble. What are Merryweather doing at this party? You tell me. You're the one hitting their planes, trains, and boats. Just trying to earn a dime. Well, your dime put us on their radar, and I don't know how we're gonna get off it.
Keep your head
Shit!
down!
Shit! Shit!
Give it up!
Something between you and...
We're receiving fire!
Get him!
Looks like inappropriate public spending to me, man!
You mess with the rock!
Get out of here, asshole! Live! More Merryweather coming! There's a building opposite me! They're done! I gotta get out before someone clocks my chopper. Hey! Thanks, T! This is our shot! I'm making a run for the parking lot! Get clear and we'll talk!
Get back!
Ah! I'm gonna sit down your neck!
Come on, it's over here! Here! This many bodies, there'll be cars in the lot. Put as much dirt between you and this place as you can. And do not contact me until you're absolutely sure you're clear. This one's mine. Good luck.
Mike, before you disappear, we need to have a conversation.
So conversate.
Not here. Meet me behind the pawn shop in Morningwood.
Great! Another chopper! Oh! Crap! Well, that was fun.
What are you doing smoking, huh? Come on. No. That's bad for you, don't you know, huh?
Yeah, well, maybe it's got a little something to do with being caught in the middle of a three-way firefight between two government agencies and a private militia. You know, it gets me a little stressed out.
Okay, but we still need you alive, Mikey boy. I mean, you know, at least for now. Unless, of course, you have another surprise for me. Huh? Maybe something to do with another inappropriate friendship?
Yeah, that wasn't exactly Dave's fault.
No. He's just the friendly face of a corrupt government agency looking to further his career by dealing with an equally corrupt and full to the fucking brim with bullshit low-rent hood.
Listen, Trevor. Listen, I've been meaning...
I've been meaning to tell you, you know, What, homie? What have you been meaning to tell me, huh? That you stabbed me in the back, or that you were, and always will be, a worthless wretch who deserves to be put under.
Yeah, well, what
Clear
the
as
fuck did
fucking
you come back for?
Oh, you know why.
Oh, no.
One last score. Mm-hmm. And if it goes good, guess what? I don't have to put a little bullet in your head. But if it goes bad, well, that's okay, too. Because then you and I get to go to hell. And I get to spend the rest of eternity with you, tormenting you.
Well, I guess it's on, then.
Yeah, I guess it is. Call Lester. Let's go. On speakerphone.
Hey, it's me.
I know. How'd it go?
Just fabulous. Ran into an old friend. Matter of fact, he saved my ass.
Oh, we're all friends now. Suppose a group hug's out of the question?
He wants to, still go on the final victory tour.
All right, when it looks like it's a go, I'll contact you. And remember this, gentlemen. If we pull this off, we will be making history. Sordid, nasty, depraved history. But history, nonetheless.
All right. There, you happy?
Fucking thrilled. Don't forget, amigo. Keeping my eye on you.
Yeah.